How to design your own drone. Start by defining your drone's purpose. Will it be for photography, racing, or delivery? This decision impacts size, weight, and power needs. Next, choose your drone type. A quadcopter is versatile, while hexacopters and octocopters offer more stability. Fixed-wing drones excel in long-distance flights. Design the frame using materials like carbon fiber or aluminum. Consider an X or plus shape for stability, ensuring it's lightweight yet sturdy. Select motors that provide enough thrust for your drone's weight. Opt for brushless motors for efficiency, matching their size and kV rating to your frame. Choose propellers that match your motor and frame. Larger propellers offer more lift but need more power. Ensure they're made of durable materials. Use lithium polymer batteries for high energy density. Consider voltage and capacity for your motor and flight time. Ensure ESCs match motor current and voltage. The flight controller is your drone's brain. Choose one compatible with your motor setup, like Betaflight or ArduPilot, with necessary sensors. Mount motors, connect ESCs, and wire everything to the flight controller. Securely attach the flight controller and GPS unit, ensuring solid connections. Test your drone's basic functionality at low power. Ensure motors spin correctly and adjust flight stability in software for optimal performance. Always test in a safe, open area. Use propeller guards if needed, keep the drone in sight, and follow local regulations for safe flying.